In honor of today being my 9th year anniversary of being a nurse, I have some really exciting news. Are you ready for the news? I am revamping my ICU crash course. I've kind of hinted at this on my social media, but I haven't outwardly come out to say that I have been doing a lot of behind the scenes work for making this crash course better. This is hands down your guys' favorite crash course, and it was the first one I ever wrote. And I've learned a lot over the last 2 years, and I have made it a ton better. I have made so many PDFs that are going to be included in this crash course. I've made them very cutesy, very demure. You're also going to earn 5 CEUs when you take this crash course versus 3, which is what the current crash course offers. And my goal is to launch on October 11th, which is my daughter's birthday, which is when I launched this crash course 2 years ago. I'm still working out the details of pricing and how I'm going to launch it, when the pre-order is going to be, but I am just too excited. I've been working so incredibly hard on this that I figured for my anniversary of being a nurse, I'm just gonna throw this out there. So I'm so excited. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what you're looking forward to. I'm adding some more sections, such as an extubation section in this crash course. It's going to be more interactive and just beautiful.